it's Tally, and today we are going to take a look at the store KPIs report found on the Bravo dashboard. Bravo provides 4 permission-based deep dive business intelligence reports that are refreshed daily. These reports were designed with an understanding that extensive reporting capabilities create insights and opportunities for a business to thrive. The store KPIs report shows performance data for your store over the course of a year with a complete understanding of your current year to date versus the past year to date, as well as how your store performed the prior day and every month for the 12 trailing months. So let's jump in. With the appropriate permissions, selecting store KPIs from the Bravo dashboard will generate the report. The 6 metrics along the top of the report are laid out for quick reference to vital numbers. The inventory base, layaway balance, as well as the loan balance will show totals through yesterday or the prior business day. The net revenue total will show both a month to date and a year to date, and the net new customers will show for the last 365 days. The main section of the store KPIs report displays the store's performance over the last year, month by month. Each of the metrics has a description shown here. The first 2 columns show current year-to-date and prior year-to-date actuals for comparison purposes. The current month will show the totals for month-to-date, which will be the prior business day or yesterday. If we look at the month-to-date activity, we can see the dollar amount of new loans written or the amount of loans redeemed and forfeited since the beginning of the month. We can also see the pawn yield percentage and the total pawn service charges collected. If we look at the layaway balance line, we are able to compare this year to the prior, as well as how we are doing monthly. If we scroll down, we can see our scrap sales gross profit by dollar amount and percentage. Looking at the sales side of the business, we can see the total retail sales here, as well as what makes up that total, the retail sales shipping, and the retail sales fees. The next section shows both the scrap and the total sales, as well as the gross profit by amount and percentage. That's it. For a detailed description of the metrics listed in this report, please visit the Solutions Center and check out the article on Store KPIs Report. And remember, our awesome support team is always available for questions and assistance at 888-407-6287. Thanks, and have a great day.